Today in this video we will discuss rainy season. Are you ready?
Yes.
Why?
Because it is rainy season.
Okay, then let's get started.
Yes.
My first question is for Shubho. Shubho, please tell me, do you like rainy season?
Yes, no, I don't like rainy season.
Why don't you like rainy season?
It rains. That time I cannot.
If it rains.
If it's rain,
It rains. It
it's
rains.
rain. That time I cannot go to my tuition class or school.
Okay. And Mr. Shubhankar, do you like rainy season?
Yes, no, I don't like rainy season.
Yes and no. I don't like rainy season. Can you tell me why don't you like rainy season? Because
I go not.
I go not. I can't go
I can't go
to school and tuition class.
tuition class.
Okay, and Shayan, please tell me, do you like rainy season, Shayan?
I like rainy season, but not enough.
Not enough. You can't say not enough. Okay,
A little bit.
A little bit.
Because it is rain when it is raining outside, so that time I cannot go to my school or tuition class. And the positive side is my mother cannot force me to go to school or tuition class.
Tuition class. Okay. And Riyansh, do you like rainy season, Riyansh?
No, I
I?
don't like rainy season.
Wow, very good answer. And forgot your name. Tanisha. Tanisha, do you like rainy season, Tanisha?
No, I don't like rainy season.
Why don't you like rainy season?
Because if it is raining heavily, I cannot go to my tuition class and school.
And school. What is our next question? My next question is, in rainy season, where do you like going?
I don't like go anywhere.
Anywhere. And Riyansh, where do you like going?
And playground.
You like going in playground. And Shayan, where do you like going in rainy season?
In rainy season, I like to go in empty fields and grounds.
Empty field and grounds. Open
In
open
open
place.
area.
And Shubhankar, where do you like going in rainy season?
I
like going
like going in rainy season field.
to field.
To field.
And Shubha, where do you like going in rainy season?
During rainy season, I like to go pond.
Pond. To swim.
Yes.
Okay. My next question is, what do you like playing in rainy season?
During rainy season, I like to play football.
Football. And you? What do you like playing?
I
like
like playing football in cricket.
and cricket. And Shayan, what do you like playing?
In rainy season, I like to play Ludo and Carom.
Ludo and Carom. And Mr. Riyansh, what do you like playing? I like playing
Carom.
Carom. And Tanisha, what do you like playing, Tanisha?
I like to play.
I like to play or I like playing?
I like playing Ludo.
I like playing Ludo. Okay, my next question is, do you like to see rainbow after rain?
Yes, I like to see rainbow after rain.
And Riyansh, do you like to see rainbow?
Yes,
I like to see
I like to see rainbow.
rainbow. And Shayan, do you like to see rainbow after rain?
Yes, I like to see rainbow after rain.
And Shubhankar, do you like to see rainbow
Yes, I like to see rainbow
after rain? Shubha?
Yes, I
Shubha, please come here. Okay. This position. Huh?
Yes, I like to see rainbow after rain.
After rain. What is our next question? My next question is, during rainy season, are you comfortable using raincoat or umbrella?
Yes, I feel comfortable to use umbrella or raincoat.
And you? Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am comfortable
To use
to use umbrella and
raincoat. And Shayan, are you comfortable?
No, I don't comfortable.
I am not comfortable.
I am not comfortable by using umbrella or raincoat.
I am not comfortable using. And Riyansh, are you comfortable using raincoat and umbrella?
yes,
You are comfortable. And Tanisha,
I am not comfortable using umbrella or raincoat.
you are not comfortable.
No.
Okay. What are the problem do you face in rainy season?
Now I face many problems like fever and
Illness. And you? What problem do you face?
No.
You don't face any problem. And Shayan, what problem do you face?
I face cold, fever, and illness.
Those are the problem. Those are the sickness. Okay, like
Sickness.
problem like you can't go to. Okay, already we have discussed.
Yes.
And Shubhankar, what are the problem? What are the problem do you face?
I face illness.
Illness. And you?
I face many problems like sickness or illness.
Okay. So overall, we don't like rainy season. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that's all for today. Again, we will come with another video. Bye bye.
Tata.